The majority of Filipino voters said they will support candidates who advocate for job creation, food security, and quality healthcare, education, and welfare of OFWs. That's according to a recent survey conducted by Social Weather Stations or SWS, commissioned by the Stratbase Group. The poll conducted from January 17 to 20 showed 94% support for candidates focused on job opportunities and agriculture, while 93% backed those pushing for a stronger healthcare system. Education and workers' right also ranked high, with 92% of respondents supporting candidates promoting equal access to education and OFW welfare. Other key concerns included reducing poverty and hunger, addressing climate change, controlling prices of goods, and defending national sovereignty in the West Philippine Sea. Dahil to address also yung mga inflation natin, kailangan ng mga maraming trabaho. Pero lagi naman natin pinag-uusapan, kapag may trabaho ka, importante yung skills matching ng trabaho natin. So, maintindihan natin talaga yung concern ng kababayan natin.
Aside from upskilling, baka naman you could tell yung mga HR hiring forces ng mga kumpanya to relax a couple of skills na kung na-meet mo naman majority of the skills needed for the job and he missed out on 2 skills, mga ibang HR kasi mahigpit. Pabigyan nyo na. I mean, kung kaya naman, alam mong kaya mong gampanan ng trabaho, hayaan mo na. I-probationary mo na lang.
Tapos, of course, like what I've said, maintindihan mo talaga hinaing ng mga Filipinos, di ba? Base dito sa naging survey. Aside from job creation, you have food security, di ba? Ngayon, di ba, dami ng issue, mga sibuyas, bigas, di ba? Ng mga ano natin sa agriculture and quality healthcare. Dahil hanggang ngayon, ang haba-haba pa rin ng mga pila sa mga public, sa mga government hospital para humihingi yung ating mga kababayan ng tulong sa healthcare system.
Konti hinga lang.
Bakit?
Diretso.
Alright, so yun yung mga, yung mga importante talaga para sa ating mga kababayan. So dapat yun na tinitignan nila. Kapag sila ay boboto.
Go!